Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Z51 in Laguna Blue on gray leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle, let you have a look. So it's got a target top, we've got that removed. It is color matched to the vehicle, as you can see. What a nice color that is. And we'll just pull on each side here of the target top and it will lift up like so. So there's the trunk space underneath. Down here in the corner we've got storage, and we do have the netting. So there's privacy netting, and let's see what else. There's a cargo net as well. So those are there if you'd like to put them in place. They're there. So I'll lock this back into place like so, and we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk here, and I'll just step back. So there's the rear spoiler. So it's got the nice Z51 color matched spoiler. This one has the chrome badge package on it. We've got the LED tail lights, and they've got carbon flash metallic accenting around them there. And then down below we've got the quad tip NPP performance exhaust. So the two outer ports have dampers on them that open and close to make it louder or quieter. There is a couple little imperfection marks here on the trunk lid that we'll work on. We'll make them look the best we can, but they're ever so slight, but they are there. So I just wanted to share those with you. Then we'll move around this side. Here's your rear wheel. So it looks nice, nice silver wheels, red painted or red Corvette calipers, and nice Michelin tires on there. So over the passenger side, we've got the two tones. So it's got the gray and the black two-tone accent on the door with the baseball stitching. It's got the Bose stereo, power locks, power windows, and electronic door release. And here's your Corvette kick plate. It's in fair condition, a little bit of minor scuffing on it, but nothing that jumps out. Oh, there's one little mark right here, a little indentation almost right there. But we will polish it, so we'll make it look the best we can for you. The power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition of the nice gray seat. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And inside the passenger area, we've got the heated and cooled seat for the passenger, temperature display, temperature control. Again, the nice deviated stitching along the lower as well as the upper. Looks nice. Check the glove box. We've got the books, so those are all there for you. And as you can see, the nice gray interior is in really good shape. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. And in the vent there, we've got the carbon flash metallic accent. Looks great. And I'll just scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And up the front, we've got the carbon flash metallic insert for the grille. And again, the nice chrome badge package. Here's your other front wheel. We've got red painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, and nice Michelin tires on there. Here we are under the hood. So we've got the V8 460 horsepower 6.2 liter motor, which is paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy. With the Z51, we do have the dry sump oil system down here in the corner. It's got the upgraded transmission cooler and rear diff cooler. And as you can see here, we've got mag ride. So that's the cable for the adjustable magnetic ride control. There's your hood liner. It's in good condition, as you can see. And I'll go ahead and close the hood. And we'll shift around, we'll have a look from the front. So here we are at the front. So nice projector style HID headlights, LED turn signals, and the LED daytime running lights. On the lower, we've got the nice chrome piece, chrome accent. As you can see, the front bumper's in really good shape. And then we've got the carbon flash metallic insert there on the hood. In terms of issues, there's a few minor stone chips, as there would be. There's a couple little guys right there. So we'll go ahead, we'll touch those up. There's one right there, and there's a mark right there. So we'll make them look the best we can. We haven't polished the car or anything, so we'll make it look much better. But it does look just stunning to begin with. So I'll just move around. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice red calipers, heavy duty brakes, Michelin tires, silver wheels, and same thing back here. That's great. So off to the driver's side. We've got our power windows, we've got our power locks, we've got our 2-user memory with exit button, electronic door release, that nice gray and black accented interior with the baseball stitching. And here's our Corvette kick plate. So there's a little bit of scuffing there up near the front. We'll run the buffer over it, so we'll make it look as the best we can. I mean, it is a kick plate, so it is going to get a little bit scuffed, but we'll make it look better for you. So down there, we've got the power seat, power 4, aft, up, down, recline, and lumbar and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat. So it's in pretty good shape, as you can see. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and we'll get in and fire this one up. There we go. All right, so on the dash, we've got the carbon fiber dash that runs up and over. Looks great. In terms of kilometers, we have 52,619. No warning lights, no issues there on the dash. We've got our cruise control buttons on this side, favorites or track change down here. On this side here, we've got volume keys. Up here, we got the arrow keys, which control the dash. So we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and settings are controlled there. Here's our telephone controls, so Bluetooth for your telephone and voice command. Up top, we've got paddle shifters, plus and minus on this side. Over here, we've got our power mirrors. We've got our heads-up display, which will show you there. There it is on the screen. So heads-up display, perfect. Down below, we've got our trunk release and motion alarm on and off. Here we've got our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. And we'll just move on to this side here. So there's your push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB and audio. So we've got, let's see, menu. So some different settings in there. You've got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB auxiliary line in. So that's great. Phone is telephone controls. You've got OnStar navigations, settings, driving mode, engine sound management, and steering. So I've got it on track mode for the exhaust. And then let's see if we put it in reverse. There's our backup camera. If we move that out of the way, here's your automatic climate control. So just put this in park. There's your driver's side temp, and passenger side temp again is controlled on that side. Heated and cooled seat for the driver over here. Heated and cooled seat secondary controls over here. You've got your nice Corvette Stingray nameplate there. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter. Here's your mode selector. So as we twist that, we start with touring, then we get sport, track, weather, eco, we're back to touring. And then beside that is your electronic parking brake. We've got cup holders, 12-volt socket, and then in here we've got micro SD, 2 USB ports, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. There's your frameless auto-dimming rear view mirror with OnStar, and then on this side we've got an auto-dimming driver's side mirror as well. So let's just hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Great sound to it. And I'll just get out and I'll show you from the front so you can have a look with the headlights on. Love the Laguna Blue, what a sharp color. There it is there, and I'll just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble to it. What a beast. Love it. And there you have it, folks. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Z51 in Laguna Blue Metallic Tintcoat on gray interior, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.